Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the home page of this channel. Thank you. Hey, so I got these cute little containers. I'm like, that's the perfect size for my avocados. So let's try, let's see, hopefully I haven't tried it out, so let's see if they can fit. Well, that's a little bit much. Okay, that's 29 kilograms. Let's see if it fit. Oh yeah, looky there, it fits. So now I'm gonna put on some seasoning though, or put in my I was about to say everything bagel, but I forgot about my guacamole and more. I almost forgot about it. All right. Now that'll be ready. So there's a chance, and I do not know how big the chance is, that I might go Saturday to the demolition derby. Our state fair is in town. I'm not sure. Depends on if my friend wants to go or not. Sometimes she and I go, sometimes not. If I do, I will update you. Let me put these away and crack a couple eggs. Okay, so I've got my eggs. I'm not going to put the cheese in it this time. I noticed this morning that it was kind of gummy, and I didn't like that. So I'm not going to do that. But let's see. Whoop. We're going to add 30 grams of some salsa for in the morning. That I'll dump in. Alrighty. I'm doing it. I don't care. I don't care what you say. I don't care what you say, Mama. I did it. Alright. So that's going to be my breakfast in the morning. I know somebody was asking, said, I was putting ground pork in there. So I'm hungry at 8:30, whether it's I eat a whole bunch. I'm hungry by 10:30, whether I eat a big breakfast or a little breakfast. And since we know my calories are creeping up with my salads and stuff, I figure I'd shave off that part of my breakfast. We'll see, just kind of messing around. Salad. Oh, I forgot my dressing. Hold on. Okay, so we'll take our paper towel off. And I'll need a spoon. What was that? Oh, but I need to spoon out my cucumbers. I'm just practicing saying cucumbers. We all know that there's all kinds of stuff in here. Callie, be nice, sis. We took a walk this evening, and so some of the children are a little extra sensitive. If there's any green beans down in there. Nope, I don't see none. All right. So, Callie, knock it off, sis. I'm going to go ahead and pour a little bit of this in here. Just a little. Maybe. All right. That's enough. Now. There we go. They all come running because I whistled. They say, ooh, whatever you called her for, we want some of that. We want some of that, Mama. Okay, so we got that, and we're going to do our dressing. I know what I forgot. We all know what I forgot, but I'll get it after this. We'll do 60 grams of our makeshift dressing. Okay. Now, we're going to put a little guacamole and more. We haven't even gotten to our main piece yet. I don't even know what our main piece is. I like to be just as surprised as you when I open it. I like to be like, oh, looky, guys, this is what we're going to have. And then it's like, oh, wow. We're all shocked and happy together. So a little Greek seasoning. We got to mix it up. We're like the United Colors of Benetton around here. We got to mix up our cultures. We've got our guacamole. We got Greek seasoning. By George, we love it all around here. Love everything and everybody. All right, so there's our salad. Okay, come on, fella. Here we go. Oh, and you know I also forgot my apple. So, but I'll wait. Let's see what we got. Let's see what our options are. Hold on. Let's see. All right, so this big thing, that's going to be my vegetables. Yep, that's still vegetables from whenever I made my roast. I don't know which roast, but one of the roasts. That one's ground beef, and that one is the roast. I think I'll put the roast with that and ground beef with that. So let me put this away, and I'll see what jumps out at me in my refrigerator. All right, I'm not showing you what I'm bringing over. Let me see if you can guess. Is it option number 1, Italian? Option number 2, Southwestern? Option number 3, burger in a bowl? Number 4, like a Mediterranean bowl, like Greek and feta? Or is it option number 5, Asian? Is it option number 6, just some barbecue sauce? What do you think it's going to be? What option? If you chose number 5, you are right. We are going to go with Asian tonight. So we're going to add in a little bit of this General suck your toe all the way to Tokyo. While you're there, wash your hair and all your dirty underwear. But first, we're going to add some kind of seasoning. Let's put some Greek seasoning on there. Because, you know, gotta stay with the thing. So a little Greek seasoning, because Greek seasoning tastes good. I don't care what kind of food what flavors you're adding. Just a smidge of adobo and a smidge of paprika. All right, now, there we go. All right, so we're gonna add some General So. Let's see, what's a serving of this? 15 grams. Let's see if we can do it. Well, close. We got 20 grams. All right. We're going to add a little of the stir fry. We'll try 15. Oh, this is 17 grams. This one's a serving. Oh, 17 grams. Come on, fella. I wish you made squeezy bottles. Yep, it's 18. Cha-cha-chow. And then I'm going to put some of this fish sauce. This kind of takes the place of like a soy sauce. It's kind of a fishy. I'm just putting some on there. There we go. And then we're going to put in some of our pineapple G-Hughes sauces. Pineapple ginger marinade. I can't talk, y'all. Don't listen to me. 15 grams of this one. We are zhuzhing up big time. Hey, 16 grams. All right. But you know, you can't have something Asian without having some sesame seeds. I mean, come on now. Come on, somebody. And then you can't have can't have sesame seeds without having poppy seeds. I mean, you got a big crunch and a little crunch. They just go together. Hang on, I'm knocking stuff over back there. All right, so that's what we're having. We are having a Asian something or another with the salad. And then we got our breakfast in there. Where's my spoon? Here it is. Got our breakfast. Except I forgot my apple, corn flabbit. Terri toodaloo. You better get your act together. Hold on. I'm having issues over here. You just slow your roll over there. You just settle down. Just calm your tits. Sorry, Judy. Let me go get my apple. Hold on. Ain't that right, girl? There's my apple. Let me tell you something. So, my sister, we were talking mammograms, and one of my sisters said something about having to get called back because of something or something. I'm not going to get into her business, but anyway. Talking about the density of the female upper anatomy. And I said, no, I don't have that problem. I think you could hold one up and shine a flashlight under it, and you'd see it on the other side. I said, as a non-member of the itty bitty titty committee, I don't know what it would be like to have that problem that you have. My oldest sister used to say that all the time. You're just a member of the itty bitty titty committee. Well, not anymore, sister. I'm the member of the droopy, loopy, throw them over your shoulder committee. Anyway, yeah, I bet you, I could take a flashlight, go whoop, and then you'd go whoop. The light would go out on the other side. Okay, that's enough. See you at breakfast. Bye. Good morning. We have our eggs. I've got my cheese and the salsa in there. What I did this time was, since it was just eggs and cheese, I cooked that for 2 minutes. It was just eggs and salsa. So I cooked it for 2 minutes and then stirred it up and then added the cheese, and I did it for another 1 minute, I think. It's going to be hot. I've been letting it sit for a good 2 minutes already, but it's going to be hot. I'm enjoying the salsa flavor. Just gives it a little zhuzhing up. And then my avocado. This little container is perfect. It's smaller than what I was envisioning in my head, but it's perfect for this. I'm still debating on what I'm going to take for my food at the conference. I know I'm going to take that dehydrated meat. I think that will be perfect. I'll eat that, and then I might buy some yogurts, and then when I go down to the conference in the morning, take like maybe 2 slices of the meat, and then a yogurt. And they'll probably have fruit too, so I'll probably go in for the fruit because that's the sweet stuff. But if they have eggs or something, I might pick up some of that too. I have no idea. But like I said, I'm arming myself with some things that I know I can have. And because breakfast is always kind of weird, So, anyway, I don't know. But I'm just kind of playing things out in my head. And so, or I may just take burgers for breakfast. That might be easier too. Haven't got it all figured out. I know that what I will plan in my head is as if I was carnivore. So I will take enough to have 8 burgers every day. And then so, I might take a burger or 2 for breakfast and then a couple burgers at lunch. I have no idea how I will eat them or what I'm going to do. I'm still processing it out because, when you go to a convention, you're just at their mercy. So, but the plan is this weekend, I'll bake up a box of frozen burgers and then we'll see how I disperse them. Okay, bye. Hello, it's lunchtime. I'm having my, Asian-inspired ground beef. And remember, you could have 20 different kinds of meals with just a bowl of ground beef. It's probably going to be hot, but it's all in the name of, for you all, I will burn my mouth. And you can adjust the seasonings every time, so it won't even taste the same every time. And then I got my salad. Got my apple. That's my lunch. I'll see you at supper. Hey, so supper's gonna be pretty quick and easy. I have these vegetables that were from whenever I made the roast, and then I've got the roast. So I put it in there. Whoop, I made a mess. Hang on. All right, we're gonna microwave this for a couple minutes, but I know it needs more seasoning, so I'm gonna put some salt on it. And what are some meaty, some seasonings that you put on a roast? Well, I think you would probably put some onion salt, because I remember that it didn't like really seep in. And some garlic salt. Those would be some things. I'm thinking savory. Ooh, I know. Let's try this Boom All Day seasoning that I got from Miss Gina. Okay, put a little of that in there. Now, let's microwave this for a couple minutes, And I'll clean up my mess. Oh my gosh, did not even have this aimed down. Y'all, Lord, it's truly been that kind of a day. There it is. I added salt, garlic salt, and the umami. You heard, I said the names, I just didn't show you. I am so sorry. I'm going to microwave this, and I'll get back with you. Look at that. Roast, carrots, rutabaga, onions, peppers, mushrooms. Don't get much more, what do they call that? Not home style, but comfort. Doesn't get much more comfort food than that. And then I got my fruit. Let's take a taste of it, y'all. Let's just see. I'll take a bite of the meat and a carrot. By George, comfort food. And I needed this today. Most definitely, I needed it. So, that, my fruit. And I'm even going to put a handful of tomatoes. I'm going to drop them right into my daily. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tomatoes. So, there we go. That's going to be my supper. I'm hungry. I'll see you next time. I can't think of a song right now. There's no song in my head. It's very quiet in my head. Maybe I'll serenade you next time. Okay, bye.